We caught up with Jaden Marshall packing the car with food that will last him and his family at least a few days.
Soup, pancake mix, mixed veggies, stuff that I can keep in there for a while.
He says the process of just getting a parking spot and picking out food was an ordeal.
Bumper to bumper, everybody in there.
That sort of preparedness is exactly what Jersey City Mayor James Solomon wants to see.
Likely to be the largest snowstorm in at least a decade here in Jersey City. And we want to make sure every resident knows that Jersey City is ready and we're doing all in our power to prep our operations.
The mayor is asking neighbors to help the city out by moving cars to the extent possible and clearing sidewalks.
Cancel non-essential Sunday plans, right? We need to make sure that our roads are clear for our snowplows, for our wonderful public works crews to do their work.
Back at the grocery store parking lot, we did hear from plenty of people indeed modifying their plans for over the weekend.
I'm going to be in the house. Yeah, we're going to do church tomorrow and then just stay home Sunday.
So church a day early?
Yes, a day early.